This is where it all comes together. The AI analyzes everything we've built: business, market, audience, ambition, and generates strategic insights. Market gaps, competitive advantages, positioning opportunities, a recommended brand archetype, and even an implementation roadmap. All generated from our inputs. And just like every other step, it's a starting point, not a final answer. We can refine any insight to match our vision. I want to send this to my team, so let's export this into a PDF. Wow, every insight and much more is here, perfect to share with them. That's BrandDNA. We went from a blank page to a complete strategic foundation. Market positioning, audience persona, competitive analysis, and AI-generated insights. All of it editable. All of it ours.